A few days ago, the world of image editing flipped on its head. Google dropped Gemini Flash 2.5, also known as Nano Banana. Yeah, that's actually what my ex used to call me. And suddenly, everyone started wondering if Photoshop just got its retirement letter. Why? Because instead of wrestling with a million buttons and menus, now you just describe what you want, and Nano Banana spits it out. A new background, a new outfit, even blending characters together. It handles it all while keeping things consistent. That means no more weirdly stretched faces or characters that look like they've been through a blender. Here's the crazy part. It's dirt cheap. Just under 4 cents per image through the API. And rumor has it, Google has a secret Grande Banana model locked away somewhere. But let's be real. You and I probably won't touch that one unless we somehow get hired at Google. The feature that's got everyone buzzing is character consistency. Let's say you take one picture of your dog. With a single prompt, you can now drop that same exact dog into dozens of different scenarios. Superhero outfit, riding a bike, chilling in space. All without it turning into some random AI chihuahua halfway through. It even works with multiple characters at once. Someone online blended 13 different images together into one seamless scene. Imagine doing that in Photoshop. It'd take hours. Here, it's basically instant. And this is where things get fun. If you're a game developer, you know how painful it is to create sprite sheets and character assets. Flash 2.5 can generate all the poses you need for an animation in one shot. Boom, instant sprite sheet. Of course, if you publish to Steam, you've got to disclose any AI assets. And you can't cheat, because Google slaps an invisible Synth ID watermark on everything. But Flash 2.5 isn't just a toy. It actually understands the real world. You can point to a random place on Google Maps and ask, "What would I see standing here?" And it generates a photorealistic view. Or if you're more of a sketch-first kind of person, you can literally draw rough outlines, and it fills in the details step by step. Even text rendering is surprisingly solid. Perfect for memes, ads, or that cursed motivational quote you'll regret posting later. Now, before we crown Nano Banana as the Photoshop killer, let's talk about the flaws. Sometimes it just ignores prompts completely. Sometimes it adds random letters into text. And even though people hype up its character consistency, with real humans, it still drifts into that uncanny valley. You know that AI look, where something feels off? Yeah, that's still here. And of course, it's a Google product, which means it's heavily censored. If you try to generate anything even slightly NSFW, the model will politely tell you to go touch grass. That's all for today. Let me know if you think Nano Banana is the real Photoshop killer, or just another flashy toy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.